Hello and welcome back, guys, in the third video in the series for the demonstration of design extractor tool. In this video, as I said earlier, we are going to see how QR codes can be scanned out of a PDF document. If you receive a PDF document which may have QR codes in it and you want to scan and extract the information out of those QR codes, you can do that. So I'll show you. I have this one PDF file with some QR codes in it. So as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 QR codes. I'll show you how you can extract scan the QR codes and extract the information out from them and get them into the output folder. Okay, using our this solution. Okay, so let's quickly launch it. Okay, and I already have these two processes created from the previous videos. I'm just going to create a new one. Okay, so scan QR codes. Okay, I'll say okay, and this time, as earlier, I will not be using these two modules. I'll use this instead. And from the base, I am going to use named PDF because I don't want to run it on all the documents. I can, if I run it on all the documents, it will still run, but it will give me blank output as they do not contain any QR code documents, QR codes in them. But let's, when I already know which file has the QR codes, I'll just give the name of that file. So let me copy the path of this file and let me use named PDF and give the path here without the quotation marks. It got added here, and now I'm going to apply QR code extraction. So I'll select this node and I'll use all QR codes, and I can say maybe which QR code I'm talking about. So let's do it for all QR codes. All QR codes just got added here. I'll simply say output location. Let me give the output location, and here save process. So this is the process. Now let's quickly run it. Okay, I've run it. Let's wait for the output to come, and here it is. QR code examples, QR code field examples file. So this folder got created here, all QR codes. And as you can see, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 QR codes, they got scanned and they were given. So let's quickly have a view to this document to match. So this is hello world. This is this number. This is pdfstring.com. And why this is okay. So basically, I had noticed it earlier. So the sequencing is like a little on the opposite direction. So it is starting from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, and hence you see 1, 2, 3, 4, and so that's why. So we can have that fixed. That's not a big deal at all. That's just a second's job to fix. But I just want to show you how the QR codes got fetched and the information culled out of it. So now here you see this QR code has this, and this QR code has this. So yeah. So this is it. This is it, guys. And let me, since this is quite a small video, let me show you for a specific. So not all the QR codes, just one QR code. Let me delete this output. Okay. I'll just quickly create this process. Particular QR. Okay. And QR code base for a named PDF, I'm going to say. Okay, no, not this. Okay, QR code example, I'll just copy the path, give it here. Okay, and I'll copy this and give it here. Okay, so here I have added the named PDF. Now I'm going to apply a particular QR code. So let's say I want to get the third QR. I want to get the third QR scan. Okay, and I'll say okay, and I'll say save. That's it, I think. Yes, that's it. So output location I have already given, I have saved, and particular QR, this process. So let's run it and wait for the output. Okay, so here it is. So let's go here, and yeah, only the page 0 QR3 3. So page 0 QR3. Page 0 means page 1 basically. So for Python, the count begins from 0, and QR3 it is saying, right? So QR3 from the bottom it is counting. So 1, 2, and 3, and this is this number, and this is this number. So this is how it is. So how it can scan the QR codes and extract the necessary information out for you from the documents. And you have created all these processes, you can run them at any point of time. And one very important thing, guys, I'm still working on that part, but this will be pluggable solution. So if you are writing a separate code, maybe using some other language, maybe VBA, Excel VBA, and you want to use this, so it will be pluggable from Excel VBA and shell command. You can directly, once you have created a process here, from Excel VBA shell command, you can call this particular process, and the process will run and the output will come in this folder. And any of these processes, not only from Excel VBA, from any other programming language. Then obviously RPA, if you already have a RPA solution in place, that can certainly use it. Since it is a GUI, it can certainly use it. But RPA can also, if needed, can send a shell command to run any of the processes. I will show that demo as well at the end. Okay, so this is it for this video as well, guys. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, I'll cover the regular expressions. So do watch that as well. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you like, if you want me to keep on coming up with such kind of solutions. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.